Everybody, or nearly everybody, is migrating to the cloud and testing how their services could work in the cloud. And for good reason, it brings myriad benefits. But migrating your services to the cloud is a big undertaking, and there are lots of pitfalls to watch out for that we've seen. The first one I wanted to mention is trying to go multi-cloud too early. A lot of people feel that if they are too tightly dependent on one cloud platform, then that's bad for them strategically. So they start from the outset to migrate to multiple clouds. As your cloud maturity increases, absolutely, multi-cloud as a risk mitigation measure is a great idea. So when you're starting out, start simple. Migrate to just one cloud platform, gain experience on that, and that will put you in a much stronger position to A, deliver successfully in your first migration, and B, understand when you start talking to the other cloud providers what you need from them. The second pitfall that we see is one of the migration project growing into something much more significant. So a simple lift and shift of existing functionality to the cloud balloons into a much, much bigger project where various stakeholders are bringing new requirements, new services, new functionality that they want to be included within the migration. If that's what you want to do, go for it. But if you really want to focus on moving to the cloud and reaping cloud benefits quickly, then a lift and shift approach where you carefully manage the scope makes much more sense. The third problem that we often see is one of predictability and timelines, and in particular the sequencing of the migration with activities like closing down existing data centers and on-premises solutions. Yes, you're going to shut those down once you've moved to the cloud, but make sure that you put contingency buffer in, make sure that everybody involved is carefully monitoring the schedule so that you don't end up caught short where you're trying to shut things down before the cloud system is fully up and running. The last pitfall that we see is one of costs. So used the right way, the cloud can absolutely help you reduce and control your costs. But you have to be very careful. We've seen lots of migrations to the cloud where it was done in such a way that the cloud running costs exceeded previous on-premise costs. Engage somebody who understands the different way that cost models work in the cloud, can put models together and test to see how your cloud billing is going to work for you. And as the migration progresses, make sure that you test some assumptions, that you build data on that. So when you've fully gone live and you get your first invoice from the cloud, there's no big surprise.